Alright, we got some goodies in the mail. We're gonna get them opened up.
We just leave the tag exposed.
Huh?
You just leave like your shipping tag exposed.
Oh, you can blur that out.
Oh, okay.
They gotta zoom in real close to read anyway.
Buddy.
This box is kind of confusing. Not gonna lie. Here we go.
That's nice. That thing that comes with the green straps.
Oh, I hit my face with the
XOP
box.
green straps are yuck.
Oh, really?
Have you seen them?
No.
They're disgusting.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna need some stealth strip on these guys. Yeah. Bare metal.
Well, yeah.
It's not powder coated. Oh.
They're not even textured like the ones I bought, are they?
The steps are.
No, remember my post had bridges in it.
Oh, yeah. Look at these beauties.
That's pretty nice. Eh? Did you buy the new platform?
No. It was $50 more than
I think that one's better. I honestly do like that platform better than the other.
That's the videos I watched on it. A lot of people like this one.
They came out with ring steps today.
Don't need that. What's that, a gear strap?
It must be like a compression kit. Yeah, that's what it is too.
Huh.
So you loop it through whatever one side and then loop it through on the other side, and then you can put stuff in it. Those are buckles where it's covered.
Yep.
And then you
Oh,
cinch
yeah.
it down.
Fancy. That out of the way.
That
Any
one
sticker
has,
with-
that has a sticker.
This has a sticker in it? Oh, yeah.
The other one probably does too. You prematurely threw it.
Oh, we got hella stickers. Got a big one, got a small one, got a circle one. A thank you. Well, thank you for the stickers. Don't need those.
Ain't no sticker.
Don't need those. Sweet. Holy crap.
You have harness with it.
Sweet.
I wonder if it came with the harness or did it come with the saddle harness?
Safety harness. Sweet. There's the platform.
That's pretty nice.
Mint. What else we got? Comes with a harness.
Oh, and on their new platform, the Versa button sits low so the platform kicks out. No, it does. Oh, there's a rope.
I was gonna say it comes with a
Yeah. you
Climbing
might not have
rope?
that by the end of the day.
heck yeah. Nice climbing rope, carabiner. I'm in for more than I thought I was gonna get. Instructions, don't need those.
I didn't think it comes with all that stuff.
Harness. Oh, it's got the stretchy.
Is it like a nice harness where it's got No, it's one of the ones where you gotta loop it all around yourself.
Yeah, we might not be using that, but I got one. 2 more straps around trees.
Why would they send you a safety harness with a saddle platform?
Good thing. That's actually. I wonder the same thing. That is.
Do not remove. Take
Well,
the sticker right off.
I'm gonna remove it. Alright, here's what we got in the box here. We got the new XOP X2 sticks. They are 17 inches, and then they are 15 step to step. Landon, what's the weight on them?
1.9 pounds per stick.
He knows his math. Come with the cam straps, and then we got the new. No, it's not the new. It's their older one, the Edge platform, with the hardware, and then it also came with a harness and
kind of heavy. I didn't
rope.
think this was gonna.
Yeah, that's 5 pounds.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a 13
I
by
like
13.
how big it is, though.
Yeah, 13 by
Like,
13.
She's beefy.
She's a beefy platform. It's also raining.
Yeah, the windows are down.
That's fine. 13 by 13 platform. 5
That's
pounds.
an XOP green strap. They're disgusting.
Yeah, we don't like that green. We might be replacing it, but we're gonna kind of just play around with these, and then we're gonna go climb a tree with them when it quits raining, hopefully.
Which was nice. Probably not that high, but let's get a measurement. These are at least 12.
Front seat of my truck and my tool belt. That's the top of my stick.
153. So
Over 12, almost 13.
Yeah.
I could probably get 14 out of it if I wanted. Maybe. 14 is probably the highest I could go.
well, that spacing's only a foot.
That's
That
a foot
has
and a half.
that's losing 8 inches compared to these ones, and you could put your platform like 6 inches above your stick and be fine. So
Oh,
you
yeah.
can get 14 easy.
14 easy. 14 would be my max. These XOP sticks are so nice, you don't even need a strap. They just stick to the tree themselves. I mean, it was on there fairly decent for no strap. Alright, so my first impressions on having these sticks for 2 hours approximately, they're actually really nice. Only downfall is this. I mean, every stick's like that. They're just metal. Self strip would quiet them up real nice, but they are actually fairly quiet taken apart and putting back together. So that's a plus. They're really lightweight. I don't know the exact specs.
1.9 pounds.
1.9 pounds. So they're really light. As you guys saw, they grip into the tree. Really nice. And then stepping over to the platform, grips the tree really nice as well.
About a foot.
It's on the heavier side of things. It's over 5 pounds, but it's built good. I will that the extra weight. Got a lot of foot room. I think it's 13 by 13, I believe.
Something. We need to figure out what we could do with like those rope loops on it. Make those useful.
These things. Yeah. But overall, for the money, the sticks were 180 for 4, and then platform was 150. Pretty cheap, basic, more of your bottom end saddle products, but I am happy with it. It's definitely worth the money. So yeah, I mean, just sitting up in it, the platform feels nice. I wear size 11.5 boots, and they fit almost perfect on this stand. So foot room is not a problem. Came with all the cam straps, stickers. It came with a harness, which I thought was kind of weird, but it came with a harness, and then I don't have the rope with me, but it came with another climbing rope, so that was nice. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for the review on these sticks. I'm sure you guys, the next video you'll see will be, actually it'll be us during the same time we were filming our mobile setup overview video as we speak. So yeah, we will catch you guys in that video. See you next week.